Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to get the week number, the current week number from a year from 52 weeks. I want to get the current week number using date and time. I will show you two methods to get the current week number. So let's start the tutorial. The command is py get week number .py, my file name .py, click enter, and notice here we got the current week number is the 11th week. Out of 52 weeks, the current date, according to the current date, we will get the current week number of the year, and this is the first method and this is the second method. I have shown.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open the folder called Python-tutorials. Here the Python tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. All my Python files I am saving in this folder only. Now in this folder, I am adding one new Python file called getWeekNumber.py, and here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is how to get the current week number in Python. Two methods I will show you. Two methods I will show. So first, when we are dealing with date and time, we need to import the module called Datetime. Then I am adding the print method directly. I want to get the output in the print method. The current week number comma is datetime dot today, datetime dot date dot today method dot stringify time percentage. Stringify time takes string parameters. Percentage W will get the week number, the time. I'm adding some text of the week. So this command gives the current week number from a year. Out of 52 weeks, I will get the current week number based on the today's date. Now second, again I'm writing the same code. Instead of str of time, stringify time, I am using ISO calendar method. Now here in the arrays between square brackets, if I add 0 here, it will take the parameters index value 0 means it will give the current year. If I add 1 here, it will give the current week number of the year. That's it. Comma the week number. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal to check the current week number. The command is py get week number.py, my file name .py, click enter. And notice here we got the current week number is the 11th week. Out of 52 weeks, the current date, according to the current date, we will get the current week number of the year. And this is the first method and this is the second method. I have shown two methods to get the current week number in Python. This is one of the most important interview question. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.